Stop dreaming about business growth in 2025 and start building it. What if you could unlock your business's full potential, not by working harder, but by working smarter with a powerful new teammate? Well, AI is that teammate and it's ready to transform your business. The biggest problem their businesses face is not having enough time or resources to do everything that makes them grow, and many business owners feel swamped. The good news though, AI is here and is changing everything in 2025. It's like getting an extra super smart team member who works 24/7 to make your business better and boost your profits. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. And today I'm going to show you exactly how AI can become your growth engine. Okay, so you know those daily tasks that eat up your time? You know, the little things that keep you from the big picture? That's a huge problem for growing businesses. And the cool thing is AI can take many of these off your plate. The first thing is lead intelligence. Finding good leads feels like searching for needles in a haystack. I mean, you spend hours digging for information and sometimes it's outdated. Well, now AI tools can automatically find potential customers, gather their details, and even tell you which ones are most likely to buy. Imagine having a list of quality leads ready for you each morning. That's the power AI gives you. So let AI do the digging so you can focus on closing. The next thing is email sorting. Question for you. Does your inbox look like a war zone? So many emails with so little time? Especially those financial emails, they're important, but they can really slow you down. AI can step in, read your emails, sort them, and give you quick summaries or even draft replies for common questions. Think about your financial emails. AI can flag the urgent ones, file receipts, and give you a summary so you only deal with what truly needs your eyes. And this gives you back so much time. So I recommend using AI to manage your inbox and reclaim your day for critical tasks. Next, we're going to talk about enhancing customer interactions with AI. Making every customer feel special is key, but it's tough when you're busy. And how do you give that personal touch at scale? Well, what if AI could help you get to know your customers better than ever before? Let's talk about closing support. Have you ever been on a sales call wishing you had all the customer's past information right at your fingertips? It's frustrating to miss key details that could help you make the sale. But AI can be your sales assistant. Before a call, it can pull up all past interactions, notes, and even summarize previous conversations. During the call, it can transcribe and highlight important points. This way, your pitches are always informed and personal. So if you set this up efficiently, AI can empower you with information to close more deals effectively. Okay, let's talk about AI in everyday tasks. AI isn't just for big, complex stuff. It can make your day-to-day life so much smoother too. Think about all those little tasks that add up. How much time could you get back if AI handled these? Let's look at calendar management. Plain email tag to schedule one meeting is a huge time sink, right? It's clunky and inefficient. AI calendar tools can manage your schedule, find the best times for everyone, send invites, and even handle rescheduling automatically. It's like having a personal assistant just for your calendar. So let AI manage your appointments so you can focus on being present at them. Okay, next up is bookings. Do you need to book a flight or a hotel or a restaurant for a business trip? That can take a surprising amount of research and comparing. The cool thing is AI can act as your personal travel agent. All you have to do is tell it your needs and can find options, compare price, and even make the bookings. And the best thing, if set up right, it can learn your preferences over time. This is AI making your entire workflow more efficient. So leverage AI for logical tasks to free up your mental energy for strategic thinking. So as you can see, AI isn't some far off future tech. It's here and ready to transform your business in 2025. From handling daily tasks to supercharging your customer interactions, AI is becoming essential. And the businesses that embrace AI are the ones that are going to thrive and grow. They're going to be much more efficient, more customer focused, and more competitive. The thing is, small businesses are rapidly adopting AI, and it's helping them compete with larger companies by boosting productivity. If you want more tips on how to use technology like AI to grow your business and increase your profits, make sure to subscribe to the channel. In some of my future videos, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to set up a lot of these systems. And here's a question for you. How do you plan to use AI in your business in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. So you know that powerful teammate that I talked about in the start? Well, AI is ready to join your team. The real question isn't if AI can help your business, it's how quickly can you start using it. The smartest move that you can make in 2025 is to integrate AI into your growth strategy and use it where you can.